Bore da pawb, a croeso I sesiwn Ffit yn 5 olaf y wythnos. Hello everyone, welcome to the week's last Ffit in 5 because it's Friday. Chi'n gwybod y patrwm efo nawr. Digon o lle, kit addas a botel o dŵr. Remember, your water, your kit and plenty of space. Then ni 5 gweithgaredd, 5 exercises. Mae cloc draw fan hyn. I should be trying to clock ymlaen. I need to turn the clock on. Dyma ni. 5 gweithgaredd, 5 exercises, ar un patrwm. 30 eiliad o gwaith a 20 eiliad o hoi. 30 seconds work, 20 seconds rest with 5 exercises. Gyda fi 2 neges I chi ar y diwedd. I've got some notifications for you at the end. Some news. A chi'n cofio quiz Rhydian ddoe. Do you remember Rhydian's quiz? What was different? Fi'n gwybod beth yw'r ateb. Fi wedi gweld. Hint bach I chi. Oedd hi'n eitha o'r ddoe. A little hint fi for Rhydian's quiz of what was different. Remember, it was a very cold day yesterday. So na hint fi'n rhoi I chi. Pawb wedi mynd I ôl dŵr? Os ydyn ni'n barod, fi'n gweithio chi beth i'r 5 gweithgaredd. Rhif 1, 32 cam, we're going to be doing the 2-step dash. Rhif 2, squats. That's squats. Rhif 3, cydbwysau gymnastig. Number 3 is going to be the gymnastics balance. We did it back in the Olympics one. Rhif 4, ni'n mynd I shoulder press. So press ar ysgwydd. A rhif 5, ni'n mynd I wneud camu i'r ochr, side to side skips. Okay? Like dangos I chi eisiau ti wneud pob un, paidwch becso. Os yw pawb yn gwylio, mae rhifau mynd lan, the numbers are going up. Felly, ni'n mynd I dechrau twymo lan. Yn y canol, ni'n mynd I dechrau jogo ar ysmotin. We're going to start with jogging on the spot. Newch siŵr bod y trad yn dod off y llaw, a bod breichiau chi'n symud. Your feet are coming off the floor, and then your arms are moving. Da iawn chi. Cadw ffynt. A ni'n mynd I cyflymu. Go a little bit faster. Da iawn chi. A stop, a ni'n mynd I stretch off, ni'n dechrau y coesau. So ni'n mynd I codi un clos lan, allan yn gallu, a wedyn switch. Okay, so kick our leg up as high as we can, and then switch your leg. Da iawn chi. 2 waith to, pob I course. Last one on each leg. 1, 2, da iawn. Nôl I jogo. Brech yn symud. Keep those arms moving. Da iawn. Okay, tro yma ni'n kick o am nôl. We're going to kick the legs back. Okay, pwyso ymlaen. Stretch your coes am nôl. Lean forward, kick your legs backwards. Unwaith to, pob I course. Last one. Da iawn. Nôl I jogo. So ni'n jogo I cael y calon I gweithio mwy gyflym. We're jogging to work our heart, get it to go faster. A wedyn ni'n stretcho I helpu gyda'r cyhyrau. We stretch to help with the muscles. Okay? Right, tro ma, ni'n gwneud fast feet, chi'n barod? 3, 2, 1, go! 10 eiliad, fast feet, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, nôl I jogo, da iawn chi. Right, tro ma, mae'n stretch our breichiau, we're stretch our arms this time. So ni'n jogo, a ni'n mynd I bod yn dyfni mlaen, we're going to be punching the air forwards, okay? Pawb yn barod, 3, 2, 1, go! Fast feet a punches! Da iawn chi, cadw fynd. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A relax. Da iawn chi. Cofiwch, le bynnag chi'n gwylio, naill ai Facebook neu YouTube, bod chi'n gwasgu'r thumbs up I gweud bod chi'n le chi'n gwylio. If you're watching on Facebook or YouTube, hit the thumbs up button for us so we know where you're watching. Right there. Gweithgaredd gyntaf. First exercise. Step 2 cam. 2-step dash. So, ni'n mynd dechrau nôl. 32 step. Twtio llaw. 40 am nôl, 2 step. Touch your llaw. Run forwards 2 steps, touch the floor. Run backwards 2 steps, touch the floor. Yw pawb yn hapus? Dwi'n mynd dechrau cloc. 3, 2, 1, off a ni. 2 step mlaen, touch your llaw. 2 step nôl, touch your llaw. Da iawn, mlaen, nôl. Okay, forwards, touch the floor. Backwards, touch the floor. A cadwch fynd. Chi'n mynd mor gyflym a chi'n gallu yn y canol. Your steps can be as fast or as slow as you want them to be. Da iawn chi. 10 eiliad I fynd. 3, 2, 1, a cymrwch brec. Diod bach. Yr un peth eto. Chi'n barod. Dach yn ôl. 3, 2, 1, off a ni, 2 step. Touch your llaw. A nôl. Touch your llaw. Da iawn, mlaen. Forwards. Touch the floor. Backwards. Touch the floor. A cadw fynd. Da iawn chi. Mae rhifau yn mynd lan a lan o pawb sy'n gwylio. The numbers on Facebook and YouTube are going up and up. Diolch yn fawr am gwylio. 5 eiliad ar ôl. A relax. Drink bach. Gweithgaredd nesa. Ni bod yn neud squats. Okay, so na i awch gwaith chi. Ni'n plygu lawr, ni'n cadw cefen y syth. Ni'n plygu lawr a lan. Okay, our back stays nice and straight. Bend the knees and back up. So we're looking at something the whole way down. So dim plygu, cadw yn syth. No bending over, keep it nice and straight. Pawb yn barod. 3, 2, 1, trad o han, cadw syth, a plygu. Dalwch am eiliad, a lan. Feet nice and wide, nice and straight, down, hold for a second, and back up. Okay, so we're not bending over, keep it nice and straight. Syth neis gyda cefen, bod I ddim yn plygu drosto, da iawn chi. Lan a lawr, 5 eiliad I fynd, a cymrwch brec bach. Cymrwch bach o dŵr os chi moyn. 10 eiliad, ni'n neud un peth eto. We're going to do the same thing again. Pawb yn barod. Trad o han, feet apart. Off a ni. So plygu, coesau, dim cefen, a lan. Bend your knees, not your back. And back up. Good. Da iawn chi. Dyle bod chi'n teimlo fe yn top y coesau. You should be feeling it at the top of your legs. Those are the muscles you're working at the moment. Da iawn chi. 10 eiliad I fynd. 3, 2, 1, a brec bach. Da iawn chi. Mlaen I gweithgaredd rhif 3. Cofiwch, amser am dŵr. Gweithgaredd rhif 3 yw cydbwysedd gymnastig, the gymnastics balance. Chi'n cofio fe o'r gymau Olympaidd. Fe, fi'n codi, lan, a dala fe mas heb cwmpo. Okay? Os chi'n moyn switcho coesau, hanner ffordd trwyddo, dim problem. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so un siarad y llawr, llall yn plygu lan, brechau mas, a balans. Da iawn chi. So chi'n gallu gwneud e heb dwylo. Hwna'n galed. You can do it without the hands. That's really tricky. Bach mwy hawdd. It's a little bit easier to get your balance. So chi'n moyn switcho coesau. Dim problem. A newn ni balance ochr draw. 3, 2, 1. Siglo off tra bod ni'n aros. Tro ma, this time, neud e bach mwy galed. Yr un peth dy dechrau. And you need to plug you now. I'm going to see if you can lean forward, okay? Challenge. Bit of a challenge for you. 3, 2, 1, off a ni. So lan, balance, a pryd ni'n hapus, when we're happy, ni'n gallu pwyso mlaen. Can we bend forward, keeping our balance? How far can you get? Faint mor bell lawr chi'n gallu mynd, a dala fe heb cwmpo. 10 eiliad I fynd. Da iawn chi os chi wedi plygu mlaen. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fantastic. Os chi dal ac i bwysau efo holl ffordd. Well done if you kept balance the whole time. Rhif 4. Press or squeeze. Shoulder press. Dim dechrau off. Esgus bod pwysau gyda ni. Pwysio lan yr awyr. Nôl lawr i'r sgwyddau. Push up to the sky. Back down to our shoulders. Both hands go in the same time, okay? Pawb yn barod. 10 eiliad I fynd. Os chi moyn dala rhywbeth, fel botel o dŵr, a chi pwysio hwnna lan. Ond, os dim ots, chi'n neud e heb dŵr. Os dim byd da chi. Off a ni. Lan. A lawr. A lan. A lawr. Da iawn chi. Nef siŵr bod breichiau reit lan yn awyr. A maen nhw'n plygu lawr. Tua a bwys bwchen ni. By our cheeks. And then really stretched up in the sky. Da iawn chi. Cofiwch yn adlu. Da iawn. 3, 2, 1. A break back. Cymwch dŵr ymlaen. Tro ma. Ni'n newid y tamau bach. We're going to change it a little bit. Ni'n mynd i neud un braich. Wedyn y braich arall. Un braich. Okay, so we're going to switch on with one arm. And then the other arm. 3, 2, 1. Off on e. So un ar tro. One at a time. Lawr. Lan. Lawr. Lan. Lawr. Good. So we're going to switch our arms. So they don't go the same time. Still the same movement. Lan yr awyr, lawr i'r clustiau. Up to the sky, down to your ears. And we're just going to do one at a time. Mestyn reit lan. Really reach up. Da iawn chi. 5 eiliad I fynd. 3, 2, 1. A cymryd break bach. Da iawn chi. Bach o dŵr sy'n water. Un ola yw side skips, okay? So ni'n dach fel night searing, like a star jump. Ond ni'n mynd i'r ochr. Nôl i'r ochr. Okay? So like a star jump, but we're going side to side. Os chi'n moyn mynd ffordd ma, at the camera. No problem going at the camera. Dim byd. So we're fel side to star jumps, ond ni'n mynd lan a lawr. Pawb yn barod. 3, 2, 1. So ochr I ochr. A nôl. So fel 3 star jump gyda'i gilydd. It's like 3 star jumps. The same time, but we're moving sideways as we go. Okay? Os oes dim ond chi am 2, dim problem. We've only got room for 2, no problem. So dangos I chi, os chi dim ond 2 yw e. 2, 1, 2. Dim problem o gwbl. 5 eiliad I fynd. A break bach. Yr un peth to. Un ni'n gallu neud e, heb dwylo. Okay? So we'n neud e, heb dwylo. Can we try it without using our hands? Pawb yn barod. So dwylo lawr, a ni dal yn neidio. We're still, okay? Off a ni. Da iawn. Deg eiliad I fynd. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, a stop. Da iawn chi. Ydy'r calon wedi mynd lan. Calon fi wedi mynd lan. Wedi mynd lan I, fi wedi golli fe. Sim ots. Cymwch dŵr ymlaen. Da iawn chi. Ni'n mynd twymo lawr. We're going to do a cool down. A wedyn cofiwch. There'll be 2 rhan o newyddion. I've got 2 little bits of news before you log off. So stay on after we've cooled down. Okay, so dechrau twymo. Ni'n just mynd I cerdded rownd. I'm going to start by a little walk around. Da iawn chi. Cerdded rownd. Da gewn ni gwe 3 lap o lle bach chi. With 3 laps of your little space. So ni'n gadre neu yn ysgol, dim ots. So 3 lap, ni'n mynd rownd. Lap ola. Lap ola, da iawn. A nôl i'r canol, da iawn chi. Ni'n dechrau ymestyn, we start our stretching. Okay, ni'n yw'r breichiau heddi, ni'n bod ni'n gwneud siren, ni'n bod ni'n press-ups. Okay, so breichiau reit lan yn uchel, arms nice and high. Reach the ceiling if you can. A stretch. Mas i'r ochr. As far out as you can reach at the sides, stretch. Da iawn. Mlaen in front, out to the front, as far out as you can stretch again. A benny off, lan i'r to eto. Finish off, trying to reach the roof again. Da iawn, a shiggle back, give him a little shake. Okay, ni'n mynd lan i'r ochr now, down to our tummy muscles. Sefyll lan, a pwyso i'r ochr. Okay, our feet don't move, now you try and symud, a ni'n mynd i pwyso draw. 3, 2, 1, nôl lan. Trad ddim yn symud eto, a ni'n mynd i plygu ochr draw. We're going to bend the other side, the feet don't move, look. Just using our tummy muscles to bend. 3, 2, 1, lan yn ni, da iawn, shiggle back eto. Lawr i'r coesau. Okay, so un step mlaen, a plygu, bach fel lunge, a just dalwch e fel la. One step forward, like a lunge, not as low, and hold it there. Step am nôl. Switch your coesau, switch your legs, step mlaen, edrych bach fel lunge, a dyle bych chi'n teimlo fe and stretch over, and you should be feeling that muscle and that muscle getting stretched, okay? Step am nôl, unwaith eto, so mlaen y trad gynta, your first leg, step mlaen, da iawn. Chi'n teimlo fe? A switch, last step, da iawn chi. A step am nôl, a shiggle bach yn y coesau. Reit de, 2 down on y newyddion. 2 bits of news before you go. Rhif 1, mae ffrind Ceredigion Active, Bryn Oliver, or BMO Coaching. So Bryn Oliver, who's a friend of Ceredigion Active, runs BMO Coaching. He's doing a virtual run to raise money for local charities. Okay? Mae fe'n neud codi arian o rhedeg, pellter o fynd o Aberystwyth i'r Eidal a nôl. A mae fe'n codi arian I elusennau lleol o gwmpas Ceredigion. Okay? So he's going to run the virtual distance of Aberystwyth to Italy and back, and he's raising money for local charities in Ceredigion. So os chi moyn gwesty BMO Coaching ar Facebook neu Twitter neu Google, a byddwch chi'n ffindo fe, a mae chance I chi helpu fe a codi arian fyna. Okay, so if you search BMO Coaching, you should find one of his social pages and you can help him out. Ask mum and dad or whoever's in charge if you want to help give some money there. Newyddion rhif 2, sy'n pwysig iawn, yw bod i'n hanner tymor wythnos nesaf, bydd Ffit yn 5 dal mlaen pob dydd. Pwysig, okay? Really important news. Even though it's half term next week, Ffit in 5 will be on every day at 9:30. Okay? We're not going on holidays. We're staying, we're doing Ffit in 5, and dechrau gyda Stefano a Bore Dydd Llun. Stefano's going to hit us off on Monday morning. Cofiwch, os chi sigwylio rhain dros y penwythnos, maen nhw lan ar YouTube, lan ar Facebook, a lan ar Microsoft Teams i'r athrawon. Okay? So os chi moyn i rhywbeth Bore Dydd Sadwrn, Pnawn Dydd Sadwrn, Bore Dydd Sul a Pnawn Dydd Sul, croeso I chi ail defnyddio fe. You can watch any of the videos again. You can use one of your favourite videos and watch it again. We've got the sports ones, we have the Olympics, we have the Stefano did the animals. Okay, mae loads of videos ever now. Croeso I chi ail gwylio nhw a wneud y gweithgareddau eto. Bydd hwn yn mynd lan erbyn amser cino. This one will be ready to go by lunchtime as well. So diolch yn fawr am wneud gweithgareddau bore yma. Thank you for all the exercises. Joiwch y penwythnos a welwn I chi Bore Dydd Llun bod i'n hanner tymor, ni'n mynd straight through. Even though it's half term, we'll see you Monday morning. Goodbye everybody.